So I just found these cheese sticks in my fridge. Look pretty good. So we're going to try them. Something behind your ear. It's ranch. All right, and... Okay, we got the ranch on. Let's take a bite. Okay, so let's start here. Okay, I put ranch on the top of it. I'm gonna be honest, that was pretty good. I would have put, oh, excuse me. I would have put some Parmesan on it, and then it would have been really good. But otherwise, I think that is a 7 out of 10. Okay, I absolutely fumbled that transition, but I took a bite out of this. This was good. So I'm gonna take a bite out of this one. I'll show you what I think of it. It's good. Whew. All right. I'm gonna give that an honest 7 out of 10. And I truly believe that this would be better if it had some Parmesan. Yeah. Oh well, I will see y'all again.